Long before cities and machines, there was only survival and the courage of humanity's beginnings.
This is the story of the first mammoth hunt. Our ancestors gathered their courage in a frozen world filled with giants.
Every hunt was not just survival. It was the heartbeat of humanity.
At their camp, the hunters begin their careful preparations.
Each weapon is shaped by hand, flint cut, bound with sinew, tested for strength. Children watch quietly, learning the craft of survival. The leader raises his spear, a silent signal of the duty ahead.
The tribe begins their march across the frozen expanse.
They search for signs, footprints of something colossal.
A shadow moves on the horizon, the mammoth itself.
Its tusks gleam like ivory towers, a force of nature unmatched. The hunters spread out, forming a crescent to encircle their prey.
The first spear flies.
The mammoth bellows, the earth trembling beneath its charge. Spears strike its hide, but the beast presses forward.
Keep going, we're almost there!
Don't let it escape!
Push it harder, it's tiring!
Dust and snow swirl in chaos. The mammoth grows weary under the relentless assault.
The mammoth lowers its head and surges forward, charging with unstoppable force. One hunter hurls his spear with desperate strength. The weapon strikes, piercing thick hide, but only angers the beast. The ground shakes beneath its massive feet. Hunters circle, driving the animal into confusion.
Another spear finds its mark.
The mammoth bellows with fury, striking out with its tusks. Close calls force the hunters to dodge and dive for their lives. Still, they press on, united in their assault. The beast slows, its strength waning under relentless attack. The earth itself seems to tremble as it struggles to remain standing. Finally, the giant collapses in thunder and silence.
The struggle is over. The hunt is complete.
At last, silence returns to the tundra.
Respect is given for the life taken. Every part will give life. Food, clothing, shelter. Nothing is wasted in their world.
By firelight, the tribe gathers.
Stories are told, legends remembered.
These memories are etched into stone.
From their courage came survival.
From unity came legacy.
They hunted not only for survival, but for the future. Victories were carved not just in memory, but on stone itself. This was more than a hunt. It was humanity's heartbeat. From courage and unity, survival became possible.
Their story became our story.
For we are their legacy.
This was the first mammoth hunt. The hunt ends, but the story of humanity continues.
If you wish to journey further into our past, walk with us into more tales of ancient survival and discovery. Subscribe for more stories of history brought to life.